In the coarse resistor in series. Actually 47 ohms. Second resistor 67 ohms. Resistor 49 ohms. Resistance resistor 1 47, resistor 2 68, resistor 3 150. From the expected resistors 47 and 47.02, 68 to 67.88, 150 to 149.92. The resistance 265, full resistance 264.98. The resistance of the three different resistors used in the video. Measure the resistance of the three different value resistors using the lab multimeter. Draw a circuit schematic showing a DC voltage supply connected across the three resistors connected in series. Choose a supply voltage between 6 and 9. 6 to 9 volt circuit here. Three resistors. Calculate the current. Calculate the current flow through the resistors if they were connected using Ohm's law. So, voltage 1 using Ohm's law V over R equals 1.06. Voltage 2 is 15.3, and voltage 3 is 33.8. Calculate the expected voltage across each resistor using Ohm's law. Fine-tune voltage control of the DC supply. Set the voltage to the voltage chosen in step 4. So on the machine is the coarse focus, and fine focus. So it's on 6 volts. Maximum current of the resistors 22 amps, and it's at 6 volts. Connect the DC supply across the circuit. It's across the 3 resistors. Show that the current flowing from the bench supply is displayed when the on and off button is pressed. So it goes from 100 amps to 21. Okay, so show the current, the effect of setting the current limit to half the expected current. I'm going to change it down to half. Right, so the volts is now 4.45, so that's less than the 6 volts. Show that everything is ticked off. Everything is completed.